Hey everyone, today we're gonna see how to create a Payoneer account. Firstly, go to the Payoneer website and click on sign up and get $50 exclusive offers for new users. Select the account type that best fits your needs, like freelancer, online seller, affiliate marketer, or individual, and click register to proceed. Next, fill in your name, email address, and date of birth as per your official documents and ensure your country, residential address, and phone number. Create a strong password and choose a security question. And also, you need to provide a valid ID number, like passport, national ID, or driver's license. Add your bank account information where you want to receive payments and click submit to complete your registration. Payoneer will review your application. Approval is usually fast if all details are correct. And once approved, you'll receive a confirmation letter at your address containing a 16-digit Payoneer card number. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.